guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day or evening or night, morning, whenever you are watching this. I hope you are doing well. But today I'm doing a very exciting video because I know you guys love these, and it is one of my Zara hauls. So I did a little bit of online ordering, as you can see. Picked up, you know, the whole Zara store pretty much. So yeah, today what I'll do is I'll show you the items, then I'll try them on and give you my first impressions on them, talk you through like what I like, what I don't like, if I'm going to return it, keep it, all of that good stuff. But before I get into the video, I'm going to be doing another Zara gift card giveaway, because I feel like if I'm showing you items and telling you to buy them, I feel like I should give back and actually give you money to buy it. So yeah, I will be giving away a £75 Zara gift voucher or gift card, whatever. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, to go follow me on Instagram. There'll be links down below, or I'll put it up on the screen here. And then leave a comment in the comment section with your like Instagram username, and then maybe 2 weeks from now I will choose a winner and DM you on Instagram. But I'll leave all like the rules and everything down below yeah. So let's open the first box, and the first thing I see is this. It is the cutest thing ever, is it not? It's like a little teddy bear and it's so soft. I have actually worn this out already. I think this is the only item in this haul that I've worn. But I just couldn't resist. I had to wear it, and it is the most snuggliest, comfortable, soft thing ever. I got it in a size small. I'm not sure of the price because I took this off, but I don't think it was too much, probably about £20 I'd say. So I feel so cozy and soft and I'm obsessed. I did look at the price, and it's £29.99, so a bit more expensive than what I thought it was. But still, I think it's worth it. I've just paired it with some white trousers, but you can definitely just pair it with like black jeans, like a little black denim skirt I think would look really nice. But yeah, I love it. Only con I'd say is you're going to have to hand wash it. I feel like it's not the kind of jumper you can put in a washing machine. Next up we have another knitwear piece. So this is like the jumper here. It's cream, has like little black stripes on the bottom, on the cuffs of the sleeves, and then round the neck as well. Now I quite like this neck because it's a V-neck, because normally you only find roll necks on like big knitted jumpers, and sometimes I find roll necks really uncomfortable and stuffy and claustrophobic. So I quite like that this has a bit of a lower neck. I got it in a size small and it was £39.99. So I thought I was going to love this, but I'm not too sure on it now. It's just a little bit too big, and yeah, I'm just not so sure on it. I do think though it would make a great jumper dress if you're a little bit shorter than me. It does cover my bum, like it is a little bit longer in the back, which is quite nice, but it's just a little bit too short in the front for me to wear as a jumper dress. But all you short girls out there, I think this would look great as a jumper dress over the knee boots or something. I feel like that could be a look. But for me, I'm thinking it might get returned just because it's not perfect, and it was quite expensive. However, it's really soft and cozy, and I do like the fact that it doesn't have a roll neck, because you can wear little necklaces with it and all that good stuff. So yeah, I will make up my mind, and you could probably even like wear it a little bit off the shoulder, you know, be a little bit sexy, like yeah. I'm going to shut up now because I'm getting a bit weird, dehydrated and hot. That's what I do when I get a little bit dehydrated, hot. I just get a bit weird, so I'm going to go now. But yeah, I bought some earrings. I did not expect them to be this big. I thought they were going to be like the size of these ones, so like this big. And they came and they're massive, and I think they would actually break my ears if I tried to put them on. So I will be returning these. I have a little suit cold set. So this is the blazer. It's a little bit creased because obviously it's been folded up in the box, but it's just this camel coloured blazer with black buttons down it. Yeah, I absolutely love the colour. I think it's perfect for autumn, winter. It was how much? I think it was pretty expensive actually. it was, yeah, £90. So yeah, still debating on whether to keep it because that is a lot for a blazer. And I got it in a size small. And then the trousers that go with it, these are the trousers. They're like kind of flared trousers. So they just, I don't know, they just kind of do up like that. And then they go into a flare. But you'll see in the try on, these were $39.99 and I got them in a size small as well. So this is the suit, like, all together. For me, I think it's a bit too much, if I'm being honest. I feel like some people could totally pull this off. I even saw a girl in London the other day who was wearing this exact thing, and she looked like amazing and stunning, and I was like, oh my god. But me, I don't think it's working for me. I just look a bit weird. I think it's just not something I'm used to. So I'm going to talk about the pieces separate. So let's start with the blazer. So this is the kind of blazer up close. I do really like it. It's very expensive for what it is. But I do think it could be something you wear quite a lot in this kind of autumn weather, where you want to throw on like a little jacket, but not a full-on coat. So I do like that, and you can definitely dress it up for a night out. You could probably even, if you was a little bit shorter than me, I'm 5'9", you could probably tie this like up and button it up and wear it as a blazer dress. For me, I'm thinking it's just that a little bit too short in the back to wear as a blazer dress, but definitely something you could do if you are kind of a little bit shorter. So yeah, that's the jacket. Still debating on whether to keep it. Let me know your thoughts. And then I'll take this off so I can show you the bottoms. So these are the bottoms. I think they're a little bit too small for me. Well, I know they're a little bit too small. They're really tight around the thighs and I can't pull them up enough, but I do really like the colour. I like the fit and how it kind of flares out at the end. The only thing is the back of it is too big around my waist here. It kind of gapes, which, yeah, it's a bit annoying because this bit's too small but that bit's too big. So I'm thinking just to return these. If they're in store, I might try on the size up, but if not, I think I'm just going to leave them. Last thing in the first box is this just cream knitted jumper. Now it is the most itchy, uncomfortable thing ever. Just holding this, it feels itchy. So I don't even want to know what it's going to feel like on. It also sheds, as you can probably see. My whole box is covered in this material, so I'm thinking this is definitely getting returned, and it was £40 and I got it in a size medium. So I'm just going to start out by saying, do not get this jumper. It is the most itchy thing ever. I feel like I'm being tortured at the moment with like itchy things. I just want to get it off. I mean, it does look nice, but it's just not worth it. So I'm just going to say don't get it. Look somewhere else. It is the most uncomfortable thing I've ever put on my body. Yeah, so I'm going to take this off now because I can't do it any longer. We're on to the second box now, and the first thing I've got is this cream, or actually it's pretty white, yeah, it's white. White roll neck, kind of very finely ribbed top. It's just a very basic piece that I'm hoping will go with lots. It has these little buttons, little buttons down the sleeve. Yeah, but I'm hoping it's going to look nice on. I got it in a size small and it was $19.99. This is just super plain and simple little white roll neck. I love it. Tiny bit see-through because you can see my white bra, but if you wear a nude bra with it, I'm sure it'll be like absolutely fine. Has little buttons down the side, which I quite like. It's a nice little detail, and as well I wear a lot of gold jewellery, as you can see, so it matches quite nicely. I have to keep it anyway because as I was putting it on, as you do, I got makeup all over it. So always put these on before you do your makeup. That is the lesson I've learned. But yeah, I do like it, so I am keeping it. It's really quite nice. I like how it's not super tight under the arms as well. Gives it a bit more of a casual kind of knitwear vibe instead of like a tight top vibe. But yeah, definitely keeping this. And I think I might see if they do it in other colours as well, because, you know, if I like something, I get it in every single colour. Next up, we have a coat. Now this is the first coat I bought this autumn winter. very exciting stuff. So it is just like a classic kind of oversized coat, but in this very like rich brown colour, which I love. I think this colour is perfect again for autumn winter. It was how much? I bet it's going to be expensive, isn't it? I sometimes forget how much it is. Oh, it was £130, which is expensive. I'm not going to say it's not. I mean, for a coat, I'll have to see what it looks like on, but I got it in an extra small because it looked quite oversized. So I didn't want to like this coat because it's £150. However, I'm slightly in love with it. I love the colour. I just think it's such a like unique colour, but just screams like fall, autumn, winter. I've just paired it with like quite a plain outfit underneath, and I just think it dresses it up, pulls the whole outfit together. What I will say though is that the arms are quite small, so if I was going to keep this coat I would get the next size up, because at the moment it's fine with a little top that I've got on, but there's no way you could wear chunky knitwear underneath, and because this is a winter coat I'm obviously going to be wearing chunky knitwear underneath. So yeah, still debating on whether to keep it or whether to return it. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, because, or actually if you've seen a coat similar to this but in a different store that's cheaper, definitely link it down below or let me know the store so I can go check it out, because this one is quite pricey for what it is, in my opinion anyway. I know some people spend like £500 on coats, but I'm more of like a £80 on a coat. So yeah, I've got two jumpsuits because I feel like they've been quite in at the moment, that kind of boiler suit look. So the first one I got, this one here. I'm sure you'll be able to see it better when I try it on. It kind of just buttons down and then ties in the waist. It's made of like a linen fabric, so I'm thinking it's not the best for winter. You could probably get away with it now, but I think once we get into winter it's going to be too cold to wear this kind of thing. But it was £50, which is very expensive actually, and I got it in an extra small. I actually quite like this. It's just super casual and comfy. Yeah, I actually do. I didn't think I would, but I just think it's such an easy piece to throw on, and you can definitely pair it with heels if you want to dress it up a bit, or like I have with just like trainers. The material I'd say is not the best. It is quite a hard kind of linen thin material. The next jumpsuit I got is this one here. So it's like a creamy pink jumpsuit, long sleeved, and like goes down to the floor. Again, it kind of ties around the waist. I feel like I'm gonna have to try this on. I'm not sure what it's gonna look like. This again was £50 and I got it in an extra small. This is the other jumpsuit. I definitely feel like this one is a bit more dressy. You could definitely pair it with some heels, but maybe roll up the arms. I'm not too keen on like the full length arms. I'd probably just like roll them up once or twice, but I can't be bothered to like undo all the buttons and all of that stuff. I feel like it's better quality as well. It is thicker than the other one, but yeah, I'm still not sure if this style is for me, if I'm liking it on myself. And as well, it is very expensive for something that you might only wear like 2 or 3 times max probably, because it is quite a statement piece. It's not something you can mix and match with other clothing and like style it different ways. It's very much this is the whole outfit, and yeah. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on it and all that good stuff in the comments, and help me decide if you're liking it or if you think this should be returned. So this is the last thing in this haul. It's like these snake print kind of flared trousers. Now I've been seeing snake print everywhere. I'm not sure if I'm into it, if I'm being honest, but I thought I'd like get some, have a go, try them on, style them with a few bits and see if I'm liking it or if I'm not. But these were $39.99 and I got them in an extra small. So for me, these are not high-waisted enough. I don't like that they're like low rise. I just think it looks a bit weird. Also, I just don't think they're long enough for me. If I look at like the bottoms, I'm not sure if you can see my feet, hopefully, but they just end at like an awkward position. I feel like they need to be able to touch the floor. However, that is good news if you are on the more petite side, because I'm sure they'll actually be like the perfect length for you, and also they'll probably come up high-waisted on you. It's just because where I'm tall, it just doesn't work for me. So yeah, I will be returning these. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and give it like a thumbs up if you liked, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.